Okay, I look blue. Been stripping down this pup, trying to get it down to bare metal. I've got the back welded. I've got to do a little adjustment to the window, so that's all ready to go. She's in primer. Man, I got to get used to that new primer gun. It's a bigger, I believe it's a 1/8 instead of a 1/3 tip, so it's dumping a lot of primer. So I think I'm going to slow it down a bit. We're going to sand down the rest of the car, prime it up, finish all the welds on things like this and that and the whole 9 yards, and it'll be ready to go. I'm gonna go wash my face and wash up a lot because I am freaking blue. You can see my beard, it's got blue paint in it. Alright guys, like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.